Welcome to Asian at Home. I just washed my kimchi, not watched the kimchi, washed the kimchi. Be careful your pronunciation, Seonkyoung. Anyways, we are going to make 묵은지 참치 김밥. So this I've been wanting to make and eat for like months now. It's been really trendy gimbap in Korea, so I wanted to share with you guys and also for myself to eat this one. Super duper easy. There's no fire or cooking required other than cooked rice. And nowadays you can buy cooked rice from, at the restaurants too. So yeah, this recipe is super duper easy but ridiculously delicious. So let's get started. So for this recipe, you will need a well-aged sour kimchi, and hopefully it's a whole because the kimchi is the cabbage part to roll this kimbap, or I would say the seaweed for roll this kimbap. And some of you might thinking washing kimchi is quite strange, but in Korea it's a very common technique of when we using this super sour kimchi to get rid of a little the pungent or the funkiness of the old kimchi, and it's a lot more pleasant to eat and it's a lot more easier to handle to make recipe like this. Go ahead and rinse in the cold water. You don't have to be washed perfectly. We just need to get rid of all the gochugarus and all the stuff. Squeeze the excess water of the kimchi. You don't have to throw away the water that you washed the kimchi. You can actually keep it and use that for later when you're making kimchi jjigae, all right? All right, this is my 묵은지. 묵은지 smells so good. Cut the head part off. Now we're gonna season this kimchi. Let me actually taste a little bit of kimchi to see where they at. Oh my god, so sour. Oh! Okay, oh my. Okay, when the kimchi is this sour, which is most of 묵은지 is, add some sesame oil, tiny bit of sugar to balance the sourness. If your kimchi is not as sour as this 묵은지, the old sour kimchi, you don't have to add sugar, but this one actually needs a little bit. And then mix everything well. So this way the kimchi is coated well with the sesame oil or evenly. So good. Oh my god, it smells so good already. It's ready. All right, kimchi is ready. Next one we're gonna prepare is the tuna, the only filling we're gonna add into this kimbap. We need to drain the tuna completely. Drain tuna nice and dry is quite important because we don't want any watery filling for our kimbap, you know what I mean? Into the tuna, let's add some mayonnaise. Very classic mixture for Korean tuna kimbap. And little pinch of salt and pepper to season the tuna. If it was my kitchen, I will have all the proper size bowls and plates to cook. I just have to go with cooking tools and plates and bowls that Airbnb has. I'm very relying on them. Okay, tuna is good to go. And the last thing we need to prepare is, I forgot to put chilies in tuna. Let me chop up some chili and add into the tuna. And if you're making this for yourself and for your kids, just add chili when you're rolling the kimbap instead of putting into the tuna. So you can make not spicy and spicy version all same time. And if you want to make this recipe plant-based, instead of a tuna, you can use those plant-based tuna nowadays available in the grocery store, or use a chickpea, like drain the chickpea, cook the canned chickpea, drain and smash down. Same recipe. I already cooked the rice earlier. The best part of Korean kitchen, they do have a special place for the rice cooker, like this. Now we're gonna season the rice with little pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, some sesame seeds, little pinch of sugar as well. All kimbap places that are super known for their kimbap, they all add this little bit of sugar in their rice. That's their secret. But if you don't want to, you don't have to add. Lastly, some sesame oil. Mix everything well. I'm like really proud to actually portioning everything for like one kimbap. I mean, the tuna is good for actually 2 to 3 kimbap, depending on how much you put it, but very proud of myself, because I usually like always failing at portioning. So everything is ready, so let's go ahead and roll it up. So first thing what we have to do is lay out our kimchi. Going out to the cutting board a little bit, but that's all right. It's part of a traveling life. cooking in the limited kitchen. It just needs the size of regular kim, the seaweed, toasted seaweed we use for kimbap. Then go ahead and put the seasoned rice. And rest of it is pretty much the same as you make regular kimbap. We are just using kimchi instead of seaweed. Any other kimbap ingredient you want to put it in, go ahead and do so. But I love the simplicity of tuna kimbap with kimchi. When you make the recipe this simple, you can taste each of the ingredients so well and delicious. All right, now we're gonna put 깻잎. If you don't have 깻잎 or cannot find 깻잎, you can use any other herbs that you like to use, or like cilantro, or maybe some Thai basil, sweet basil, whatever you like. I'm just gonna use 3 깻잎 because I love 깻잎. Then we're gonna add the tuna mixture on top of the 깻잎. Don't get too greedy. If you do, you might not be able to roll it. Now let's roll the tuna with 깻잎 only. Okay, like this. Boop, boop, like that. And then we're gonna roll the whole thing with the kimchi, like so. Just take your time and just do it carefully and gently, like so. Ta-ta! Even though we seasoned our kimchi with some sesame oil, we're still gonna have put a little more because the kimbap is not completed until you coat it with sesame oil to make nice and shiny, like so. And slice like you would slice regular kimbap, just with little extra gentleness. Korean style cabbage roll, kimbap.
At first we do super sourness, and you bite into it.
Oh, so good. I'm gonna make one more. I have some kimchi left. So good.
리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳에 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑에 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 많아 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah. Alright, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Oh, right, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright 언제부터 시작한지 잘 모르 baby 너의 예쁜 목소리만 잘 알아
Guys, if you liked my 묵은지 참치김밥, sour kimchi tuna kimbap, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious, authentic Asian recipes like this. And yeah, remember you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. If I can make it in the Airbnb kitchen, you can definitely do it. What was it? Thank you for watching. I'm still struggling with the ending a little bit, but thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. So pretty. I love it. Oh, I forgot sesame seeds right on top. Very important. I wish you had a black sesame seeds.
And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Oh, right, this feels good You and I think we got something special And I don't need to try any harder It's just better, it's just good when I'm with you Alright